of ray diagram. Now we consider concave mirror and convex mirror for image formation for different position of the object. At first we take concave mirror. Position of object at infinity. Position of image at F. Image is formed at focus. Nature, real and inverted. Size, point size image. Actually, the ray diagram for this is this. From infinity, generally rays are parallel to each other, not parallel to the principal axis. Now, if you make the ray diagram, this ray is passing through C, so it will trace back its path because it strikes normally to the mirror. This ray passing through focus, so it will be parallel and image will be formed at the focus. And object size is very large. So with respect to the object size, the image size is point size or very small, smaller than the object, and the image is real inverted because this image is formed by real intersection of refracted rays. The second case for concave mirror, if position of object is between infinity and C. The ray parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus, and the ray passing through focus after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis, and image is formed between C and F. Position is between C and F. C, center of curvature and focus. Nature, real and inverted. And size is smaller than the object. Now position of the object, we take position of the object at C, center of curvature. Position of image is also at C. Position of image at C, nature, real inverted, size equal to the size of the object, equal to size of object. With the point C is such that if object is placed at point C, image will form itself at point C, and the size of the object and size of the image will be equal. Now position of object, we will take position of object between C and F. Ray diagram. Principal axis, pole F, C. Object is between C and F. The ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus, and the ray passing through focus will become parallel to principal axis. Image will be formed beyond C. Means position of image beyond C. Beyond मतलब C से भी distance ज़्यादा distance पर. Beyond C, nature, real and inverted, and size bigger than the object. In one word, we can say enlarged image. Now, position of object at focus. Ray diagram. If position of object is at focus, image form position of image at infinity. Nature, we can see that if we produce these rays in this manner, then they will meet at infinity. We can assume that they can meet at infinity, and if we produce backward, it is also not going to intersect each other. It is also formed at infinity. Then we can say nature of image is real or inverted, or virtual and direct. Real and inverted, virtual and erect. Size very large. Object between pole and focus. In this case, image will be virtual because image is formed by deliberate intersection of light rays. Means we produce it backward and intersected it, because in this way they are become more and more distant from, these rays are more and more distant from each other, so they will not intersect further here, they will intersect when we produce backward at this point. So position of image is behind the mirror. Nature, virtual and erect. Size enlarged. So, concave mirror form virtual images between F and P, and the special nature of this virtual image is that it is virtually erect and the size of the image is larger than the size of the object. Convex mirror. Position of object anywhere between P and infinity. कहीं भी रख सकते हैं P and infinity में. This is its focus and C light rays parallel to principal axis appear to come from the focus. And light rays striking at the pole make the same angle according to laws of reflection, and these reflected rays are becoming more and more distant from each other, so they intersect each other when we produce it backward. So always for any position between pole and infinity, the image is formed between pole and focus. It is smaller in size and virtual and erect. Position of image between pole and focus, nature, virtual and erect, and size smaller, diminished, smaller than the object. Now, convex mirror is used. In rear view mirror of automobiles. ऑटोमोबाइल्स में कॉन्वेक्स मिरर को पीछे देखने के लिए जो साइड में मिरर होता है वो यूज किया जाता है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. इसके दो रीजन है. क्योंकि फर्स्ट रीजन है कि फील्ड ऑफ व्यू बहुत बड़ा होता है. फील्ड ऑफ व्यू इज लार्ज. व्हाट इज फील्ड ऑफ व्यू? द एरिया फॉर विच दिस मिरर कैन एक्ट. कॉन्केव मिरर, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर फील्ड ऑफ व्यू is very large. ये पूरा फील्ड ये कवर कर सकता है. It can take images from whole this field. But concave mirror field of view is less, very less than convex mirror, concave mirror's field of view. So first thing is that field of view is large, so convex mirror is used. Second, always forms smaller image, smaller virtual and erect image